Hello, I am in Statue of Unity, and this is my favorite place in Google Maps. The statue in front of me is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue. The statue is 182 meters tall, and this is now the largest statue in the world. And Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is called the Iron Man of India, is because he's one of the freedom fighter of India who really wants all the states across India to be united. Besides the statue, there are a lot more attractive places are there in nearby. One of is the Valley of Flower. This is my favorite place. This place is so much peaceful and so much more to all of us. And there is Sardar Sarovar Dam and also Katkos Garden. All are very beautiful and pleasant places, and that's why this is my favorite place in the world. Thank you.